What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Drop Lows here, and today we on the Z125. We about to finally try and get one of my first GoPro vlogs going here. Thinking I'm probably gonna take a ride to the lake today. Let's see what the weather's looking like out there on the good old Winston Lake. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna roll the intro and sort of bear with me. It's kind of hard to control this thing in gloves. I need to get the little beep beep so I can do it on my hand. But here go the intro, and let's go.
I know it's storming right now, but we gon' see some better days. Back in the booth, and that's the only way I can meditate. Off the beans and lean, but thought process is hella straight. Went through some shit, had the people play and reevaluate. Past couple days, niggas been pushing me like hell. Got they ass beat mad, cause we ain't in the cell. Fuck, Lord, I need you, cause later call my dude need help. Fighting with myself, still putting shit to rest.
Let's go. I always gotta come hit this hill. It's just too fun. Hey. I probably should be doing that hill at first, but I've always hit it in second. It's just slow. It's fun to go that slow. I damn sure know I can't go down it, I don't think. Whoa. Well, that's new. I didn't know I could go downhill. Whoa, slow the fuck down, man. Damn. In a fucking park, man. Kids could be out here. Slow it down. Just keep it moving. You got I just had a bug to the eye. Sheesh. And see, this is why my city can't have nice stuff. They got this freshly paved park, right? And why is there at least a glass bottle around every single curve so far? Like every curve I went through, bro, glass bottles. What are y'all doing? This place is fresh. Okay. We out here at the lake. Let's get a wheelie in. Maybe not with a truck coming and don't know what he want to do. This is nice. I think I got it. Windy back there. I don't know if y'all heard, it got a little windy back there. Woo! Oh shit, forgot this only got 4 gears. Keep it cruising. Today's cruise has been good. Ooh. There we go. Alright, side street wheelies. I really do gotta figure out what's going on with this tire though, cause Damo mentioned something like it's pulling to the left, and I ain't got that shit figured out yet. Oh shit, not through the glass. Ah, through the glass. What the fuck do you want, bro? Just go ahead and go. Oh, hey AJ. Like, what the fuck is up with all this glass today, bro? Everywhere you go, glass, glass, glass. Don't nobody recycle no more? I don't think anybody did ever. But golly, just glass everywhere. It's so freaking windy. I'd say it is windy. Golly. Just shit my foot on the seat. Oh God, I can't. This is a fucking wheelie with my foot on the seat. Knees. Like it really, I don't know. Might have to check my suspension or my tire alignment or something, but I'm feeling it, he feeling it. Something's going off to the left, something may be off. See how this sit down go. That's a weak shooter. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that. All those shots. What the fuck is that? 22? Pew! I think I'm done. Alright, y'all. I think I've done enough for today. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully none of my footage crashed. That is my biggest prayer for this first vlog, is that none of my footage crashed, because I tried to vlog before and all of the footage crashed. So before I did this one, I did a format on my memory card and everything, and yeah, I pray and hope that all this fucking glass, man. I do pray and hope that this video, you know, shot fluently, none of the stuff crashed on it. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, I bet you can already guess what I'm about to tell you. Like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, say hello. I don't care what you do. Show me you here, show me you came, and you know, you witness what the heck I did today. It's my first vlog of many that's about to come. I can already tell you that. We are definitely getting a bigger SD card, you know, something that ain't El Chinesium, and that I can assure may not have me with that format issue or corrupt file issue again. I know it's ways to save it, but it should be a way to just shoot this and not have to deal with corrupt files. So you're new to the channel, like, thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. We got more coming. As y'all know, I got the Z125. I also have a Ford fucking Ranger. Woo! Yeah, Walker Ford Ranger. That's my new little toy drift truck build. Slowly but surely I'll do things in order to turn it into a drift build. And last but not least, I got that Buick Roadmaster. That thing is finally getting its LS swap. We are piecing together the pieces for it. We're gonna start hitting the junkyard, and yeah, so I thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for the support, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.